Okay, so we are at a house here in Los Angeles, and there's an old Galvy P-trap. I snaked it 3 days ago, cleared it, but in the process kinked my snake, and the drain just started to back up again, and it's just, I crawled under here and looked at it the other day, and it's way too old, crusty, and so we're gonna be cutting it out because that is the right thing to do. All right, this is our culprit. We got the 2-inch trap. Look what we found. Hold on, I gotta turn on the light on my camera. Okay, look at that. So I knew there was something stuck in there. I can't tell what that is.
It's a toy.
It's like a toy or something. What is that, dude? Well, we're going to just double check that this is the job. So this is a new snake. I broke my snake on this job because of that. So this is my new one. It feels clear. I mean, the sewer is right. The sewer's right there. Yeah, this it's clear. So that was it. That was why it wasn't draining right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, okay. Shit. Alright, yeah. What? G? Lip? Yeah. Man, push. Flex. Get this up. Double. Get out. Yeah, go. There you go. We got a 2-inch no hub band. Then this one right here, that's a 2 by 1.5 inch no hub band. 2-inch no hub band. This sucker right here is coming out about as crooked as a politician caught knee deep in a scandal. Ha 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 ha. But seriously, it's coming out crooked as hell. So, and all the water you see is the shower pan. The tiles are falling to shreds. Basically, it just needs to be either retiled or maybe a regrout. But yeah. So.